Hey guys, so in this video we'll be unboxing the Kuwzty cordless handheld vacuum. So let's take a look at it. So first things first, we have a manual, which is good. Alright, so we have the extension tubes. We have tubes with the brush base we can use to basically, agitate any dust buildup and have the suction dust. We have we have the motor body of the vacuum. We'll be doing the suctioning. We also have filters. So we get two filters. There's the other one. Also another brush head that we can attach onto the tubes. Another suction attachment. Now this, you can basically use this to suck up the dust off the floor, and it works by attaching the tube to it, by attaching the tube to it, and then the tube, the other end of the tube will be attached to the base of the vacuum, which does the suction. So I'll just line out everything so you can see what it all entails. Alright, so that's basically it. Alright, so the motor, so for the tubes, the filter, the catchment and a filter, one of the brush heads, another brush head, another head that can be used depending on what each use case may be different. As I said before, this might be appropriate for in a car, on the seat of a car. Likewise with these, or if you have a couch and you want to use it on, you can do that. This more so is for using on the floor. So the floor of your house, you can use this to do the suction. Also, this also comes with a power button, and it has the battery connection that would go right here. So I had to buy the battery piece separately, so this is the battery pack. Alright, and it basically would be fitted. Just put it out. Oops. Alright, so this is the power source. Alright, so this will basically connect to the bottom part of the vacuum. So let me just show you. So it basically clips in, and you just press the power. Woo! That's basically it. Alright, so it's a high level view. You can see everything that it comes with. Now, when I do use it, I'll do a review on the use and how it performs. But for now, this is basically what you get in your package. I think it's a pretty good deal. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And thank you.